So friends, let's add ACCU360 ERP to your product list. Let's first understand why you should have ACCU360 ERP in your product list. ACCU360 have all the modules inbuilt. Your client can use all the modules in a single license only. Here, you can see the name of the module that ACCU360 have. All the modules are seamlessly connected. Suppose if you create a salary slip in HR module, then accountant will get notification automatically for their clearance of the payment. Once the payment is done, then HR will get update automatically about the payment status without any manual communication. Like this, the department can work together seamlessly from purchase order to production order, from sales delivery to sales invoice, and finally to payment entry. Though ACCU360 have all the modules to handle medium and large scale business, but still client can have additional requirements. For that, you can also do customization. In ACCU360, you can do any kind of customization. For that, ACCU360 have customization tools inbuilt so that you can tune your ACCU360 ERP as per your customer's need. We will provide you a support for customization for your clients. Here you can see who is using ACCU360 ERP mostly. 31.5 is manufacturing. If you are facing challenges in manufacturing industry, then you can see our demo once. I think ACCU360 can solve your problem easily. ACCU360 have also an subcontracting feature for outsourcing job work. Number 2, 15.7% is trading unit. If you have any clients who have multiple warehouses and need real-time stock reports and financial reports separately per warehouse wise, then you can easily pitch ACCU360 ERP. Number 3, 7.9 is service sector. Number 4, 11.8 is CRM. Number 5, 23.6 is HRM and payroll. Number 6, 9.4% in financial segment. Now comes the implementation. We know that ERP implementation is really very challenging and risky for some partner, those who don't have enough expertise or manpower. For that initial implementation of ACCU360 ERP, we will provide you support for the first 6 implementation. After that, we will provide you training and remote support during implementation without any additional cost. Hope this information is helpful to you to join ACCU360 ERP ecosystem. Stay tuned with us. We are coming with more products in like IoT for manufacturing and data analytical tool. For more detail, you can call us or drop us a mail.